course, bigger rocks. Yeah. So in Tossa, we have a long tradition of extracting the cork for the wine bottles. You know?
Yeah.
The el tapón.
Cork.
Yeah, the cork.
The cork.
Yeah, and it's from the tree.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can see everywhere.
Yeah, I see.
And do workers come and do this, or
Sorry?
do workers or just
Yeah,
public
workers.
people? They come and they extract
Yeah.
the cork. They work and they extract the cork for wine bottles.
Yes.
To cork the wine bottles. It comes from these trees.
And it takes 8 years, around 8 years, to regenerate again completely.
8 years to regenerate the. So that's where all the trees. Look at all the trees.
Yeah.
At the bottom.
You will see everywhere.
Wait, shall I take a video? The cork.
Yeah, everywhere.
That's nice. Interesting.
Did you stop here? 2 seconds?
Here,
Yeah.
for a picture?
Yeah.
We will stop in a
Okay.
better spot.
With the painted
Yes.
face.
No. It's not there
Oh,
anymore.
it's not there anymore.
You will see. I can understand. Why they
Okay.
cut the tree.
They did.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. You will see.
Oh,
we
what a
cannot
pity.
understand this. But you saw it 3 years
Well,
ago.
yeah. At least you saw.
Yeah.
I can share you the photo.
It's mad, isn't it? Actually, all of them.
And it was built in the 17th century, and it was destroyed by Napoleon army at the beginning of the 19th century.
Oh, really French.
Very French. They built it here because it was in a strategic spot, because in those times they have a lot of problems with pirates. Pirates, yeah. So they didn't see the church from the sea.
Okay.
The sea is there, but them could see them
I can see that,
in
okay, yeah. And it was a church.
yeah.
Yeah, so it wasn't. What's the interest in destroying it? It's a church, not.
Because they were in war
Okay.
against France. And this is the no tree with the face. Okay. Maybe it is still there, actually.
Oh, for love.
Somewhere.
So big.
It's a pity. From the church to the sanctuary.
And did he die during the attack then?
I don't know. No, I don't think so.
No.
Much before, actually.
Natural death.
Sorry?
Natural death.
Yeah, I think.
No moto.
Yeah, no bicycle. Yeah.
Mountain.
You continue here. post some Instagram post or stories. You can tag Tossa Tour
Yeah,
4x4.
I did it this morning.
Ah, nice.
I'll make a video of it.
Okay, so big key for a small door.
Document.
For the small door, so we have to go in there.
Okay. Here,
The key is huge, but for this door.
and open it from inside. The big door, or no?
No.
You're joking.
No.
So we have to.
Really?
Yes.
Can you go?
Of course.
It's easy. It's easy.
Fine, okay.
So the sanctuary, it was built during the 15th century, and then was rebuilt during the 17th, and then another time in the 19th century, because it was destroyed many times. You can see.
Yeah.
Many constructions.
So pirates have tried to destroy it.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Yeah. Now there is a bar, but it's only open during the weekend
Okay.
because of Corona time. Not a lot of people is coming now.
That's our equivalent of a pirate.
Yes. So during this, first they built a church, then the sanctuary around it, and during the Spanish Civil War and the Second World War, it became a hotel. Super safe hotel for rich people.
Oh, lucky rich people.
Yeah, lucky rich people. Those were the rooms. No. Now it's just a bar. Yeah, it's a bar. But it's only open during the weekends for barbecues and.
We need to come here.
Yeah, it's nice actually.
You want to come on the weekend for a barbecue?
Yeah, just to see the fun of it. And it's
Yeah,
alive.
it's nice. We can enter inside the church.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And the key, I'm guessing, is smaller.
Anno 1882.
Yeah, this is the second rebuild. It was rebuilt 2 times.
Ah, okay.
You can see. It was destroyed.
Punta ka na. Dali, papasok mo.
Thank you.
4.
I think there's an organ. Got it?
It's only a religious ceremony once a year.
Wow.
The Sanc Grau Day. It's a local holiday in Tossa, and a lot of people come here for the ceremony and then barbecue and then sing outside. Huge party.
Are there any golds here?
Sorry?
Are there any golds?
Gold?
Ora. Who's the patron saint of Tossa?
San Sebastian.
Ah, San Sebastian, like San Sebastian of the Donostia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is no organ.
And the history of that one?
At the end.
Again, yeah. Now on record. Before I didn't do anything.
Impressive. Impressive.
And this is a rib of a whale they found in Tossa a long time ago. Can you see there the ribs?
It's the ribs, okay.
The ribs of a whale.
Ribs of the whale.
Yes.
The rich people must have enjoyed the whale meat.
The rich. Much better than one.
Oh, the super.
The swimming pool, yeah.
And why did it
But now it's not, it's closed now, the hotel.
what is it?
It was just open during 15, 20 years.
Okay.
And then they.
Why not?
Marie Chris. Sorry.
That's so funny.
No, no, it's like...
Oh, this is so funny.
The fame.
Crazy.
They don't look sympathetic.
Because in the camping, Kamati,
Yeah.
you can hear the
Yes,
things
yeah, during the night,
during
right?
the night, and I went with my children to the top of the camping,
Mhm.
and we could hear them, but we couldn't see them, so we could hear.
They're really fast during.
Near the football field.
Inside the camping.
Yeah, no, outside the camping.
Outside, okay.
The Tossa football field,
Tossa field.
not the.
You go into the camping because people leave food.
Yeah.
In the tents, they leave food, and I think this is why they like to try and enter the camping.
So as I told you before, it was during the Spanish Civil War a super safe hotel for rich people, and that's why, because they built a tunnel to escape in case of emergency.
Ah, go, go, go.
We can
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Take video, take video.
No, sure, because video you can't see.
Oh, here we
If you
can.
take off the flash, it's gonna be better, I think. Yeah. With my flash and your,
Ah,
it's
phone.
gonna be more feel.
I'm not looking to that. Just to show how much water you can put in.
So, you wanna go first for your video?
No, not Mimi.
Let's take a picture before I am scared of this. I used to it.
Well, they're empty. It's a pity. I want to see.
Wow, there's a lot of wine.
So the tunnel was This is Tossa, and there you can see the other town in there, far away. No, Blanes.
Blanes.
Your is behind the mountain. It's hidden.
Ah, hidden. Yeah.